790 fucking 1, let's fucking go. So in our genBlit function section within the downscaling section here, within our helper function that's going to take a bigger selection and downscale it to a littler selection, let's look at the actual algorithmic downscaling logic. We're going to loop through each and every pixel on the smaller selection, and we're going to create a sample window that we want to scroll through on the bigger selection. So origin X and origin Y is the top left origin of our bigger selection, and we're going to figure out where our sample window currently is. We're going to take a sample window that's going to be downscaled to 1 pixel here. So we take the origin X and Y, and we take the coordinate of our pixel on the smaller selection, we zero it out, and then we multiply by the size of our sample window, and this calculation here gets the top left origin of our sample window. Then to get the edge of the sample window, the extreme edge, we have to add the sample window magnitude -1. And now we have our sample window bounds. Okay, the average red, green, blue, and alpha is right here. We're going to loop through every single pixel in this sample window. The valid sample X and Y coordinate is also known as the bigger image XY pixel coord. We're going to convert that XY coordinate into an index by taking the Y, multiplying by the width of the bitmap, and adding X. Then we're going to take this index coordinate, multiply it by 4 to get the component address, relatively offset to the red, green, blue, and alpha, and accumulate that red, green, and blue, and alpha here. So this is the red, green, blue, and alpha of the bigger image. Okay, so once we've iterated through every pixel in our sample window, we need to divide by the sample window area to get the average red, green, blue, and alpha. Then we are going to floor the results because we don't want floating point. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bounds check it and make sure it's between 0 to 255. If it's out of range, we're going to cap it. And then we're going to cast to a byte, and then we are going to take the littler XY pixel coordinate, get the index, multiply by 4, and then pack the final RGBA color into the tiny pixel coordinate right here. So pixels, little, pixel array, red, green, blue, red, green, blue. Like and subscribe, I'm out of time.